Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its powerful 1800W peak motor and impressive design features tailored for adult riders seeking both performance and comfort. One of the most striking aspects of the M1 Pro is its robust build quality. The frame feels sturdy, and the design is sleek, ensuring durability without compromising on aesthetics. The heart of the Aipas M1 Pro is its 1800W peak motor, which provides exceptional power, allowing riders to tackle steep hills effortlessly and reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. This makes it perfect for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The bike's throttle response is smooth, providing instant acceleration when needed, which is particularly useful in busy traffic situations. Riders can choose between pedal assist and full throttle modes, offering flexibility depending on the terrain and individual preferences. Equipped with a 48V13A lithium battery, the M1 Pro delivers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and usage. This range is substantial for daily commutes or longer rides, eliminating the anxiety of running out of power mid-journey. The battery is removable, making it convenient to charge at home or work. The bike also features a full suspension system that cushions the ride, ensuring comfort over bumpy terrains. Coupled with 26-inch fat tires, the M1 Pro glides over obstacles with ease, providing stability and control. The front and rear disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, enhancing safety, particularly at higher speeds. Moreover, the bike's LCD display provides essential information, such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled, keeping riders informed throughout their journey. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to embrace the convenience of electric biking without sacrificing performance and style. Its blend of power, range, and comfort makes it a top choice for adventure enthusiasts and commuters alike.